No, this can't be true. This website pays how much? And I can get paid this fast? I gotta check this out.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you some websites that will pay you PayPal money fast. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I tell you about these websites, let me tell you about the free giveaways I have. Just click on the link below where it says free giveaways. Now, these giveaways I have will help you in your journey of making money online. I also have a tool that I recommend that you use for your YouTube channel that will help you increase your views and subscribers. This same tool has helped my subscribers go from 20 subscribers all the way up to over 300 subscribers within a month. And it can happen to your channel too. Lastly, I have a website that you can join, which is called appgrindpatreon.com. Now, this site here, when you join this site, you will get a chance to win special perks and weekly prizes just by becoming a member of this website. So please click on those links below and get started with the free giveaways, the tool for increasing your views and subscribers, and become a member of App Grind Patreon website. Alright, please watch this video to the very end because I have a proposition for you guys that involves money. So please watch this video to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you the sites that will pay PayPal money real fast. Let's get it! Alright, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Bankroll Bucks. And what this site is, they offer offers and surveys for you to complete, and also you can play games and you earn cash that way. And you can earn cash real fast doing this. So let's go here and find out a little bit more about this website. Okay, it says here, what are bankrolls? Bankroll points are earned by completing offers and can be used to play games on Bankroll Bucks or converted to cash for withdrawal. So you fill out the offers, you can use it to play games, or you can just go ahead and convert that into cash. As you can see right here, it says 1 bankroll equals 1 cent. 100 bankrolls equals $1. All right, now let's go and see how long does it take to receive the money. Like I say, it shouldn't take that long because this website pays out fast. And let's go here. All right, it says right here, what is the minimum amount I need to withdraw? $1 minimum payments via verified accounts only PayPal. So you can also do $5 minimum weekly payments via check, or you can do $5 eBay gift card, $5 Starbucks, or $5 Walmart gift card. But in this video, we're just telling you how you can get the money real fast. All right, let's go to one other thing. All right, it says here, when can I expect payment? All withdrawal options can be requested as many times during the day as you want, as long as you reach the minimum $1 or fixed amount withdrawals. Payments are usually sent within 24 hours or sooner if admin is online. So you can get it you can get it within 24 hours or even sooner than that. In some cases, you can get it within an hour, is from my experience. All right. Now, if you want to learn more about this website, go to bankrollbucks.com. Now let's go to the next site. Okay, I'm at the next website. It's called QME. That's QMEE.com. And this is another site where you can share your opinion and shop, search to earn real cash rewards. And it says here, earn cash, not swag or points. So you don't have to worry about how many points I gotta accumulate to cash it out. Once you fill out a survey or share your opinion, boom, you get cash immediately. And let's scroll down here a little bit and read some more about this. It says right here, earn when you share your opinion. Take QME paid surveys on your laptop or mobile and search cash rewards. Share your opinions on brands and see your earnings grow daily. Earn and save when you shop. So you get paid money saving coupons and offers for your favorite brands. And it says here, earn when you search on desktop. Get the free QME browser extension and you can earn cash when you search for your favorite sites and engage with your favorite brands. So as you can see right here, once you get the web extension, so you're going to be going to Chrome Web Store and you're going to get this extension, QME extension, and install it onto your computer. So when you do search, this will pop up on the side of your searches. So, and let's go down here, and it shows down here some reviews from people that are using this site. So once you go to the site, check that out and read it if you want to learn how they're doing on this site. And if you want to use it on your mobile phone, you can use the app. And the app is available on Google Play and App Store, the Apple App Store. Now let's go to right here and find out a little bit more of how it works. So of course it says here with QME you can get rewarded for your opinions, for searches, and for purchases. It's free, easy to use the browser and mobile app. And it says here with QME mobile app, you can get paid to take surveys on the go. All right, let's go to one other thing and find out about how it pays. Let's go here. Right here it says how much will I earn. There's no limit to how much you can earn. We offer you cash rewards for engaging with brands, as well as for sharing your opinion by answering surveys. Remember, we also save money with access to thousands of automatic coupons and offers and displaying price savings when we find you a better deal. So from my knowledge, soon as the money is available, after you do a survey or do a search, you can get the money within minutes. So if you want to learn more about this site, go to qme.com.
All right, now you know the websites you need to go to and sign up and start making that PayPal money real fast. Now, thank you for watching this video. to this point, and for doing so, let me tell you about the proposition I want to offer you guys. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is leave a comment down below in this video and all my videos that's leading up to the 500 subscriber video. And what I'm going to do is randomly pick that comment and reward that person with $20 cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. And then I'm going to reward the second person with $10 cash via PayPal. So please drop a comment down below. If you're new, subscribe to my channel. Now, that's all I have for this video. Please smash that like button if you like what I talked about today. And drop a comment down below so I can give away this free money. Share this on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Because I make videos like this on a daily basis. Now that's it. I'm done. Finito. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can stay here and watch my recommended video right here. Or you can watch my most recent video right here. Right after I tell you this. Get your grind on. Because the grind is real. Now go watch my videos. Peace.
This is App Grind TV.